Namaskar, Supravat, Guten und ein schöner Morgen. This is Meghraj Madhukar Kasalkar from Germany, Amberg, and in today's video I'll be continuing with my previous part, my university, my course IEE, the admission process and the mistakes that I have done and that one should do. So today is a typical Saturday and that's why there is no one in my university. It's actually no one, but it's really a very beautiful morning today. So I'll go to my class and we'll continue with the video. So basically, the things that we are going to discuss today are critical requirements for applying to OTH Amberg-Weiden, when to start applying, critical admit requirements, what to do and what not to do, and my subjects during my IEE master's course. So let's quickly start. Critical requirements for applying. So the first and foremost important document which you will require not just for my university but for all university and many courses will be the APS certificate. So basically APS is the certificate which is given by APS India. It's an organization which checks your bachelor's degree for its genuinity, bachelor's in your English language certification for its genuinity, and it gives you the APS certificate which will be used for your visa section. So basically APS was introduced just for providing the visa, but APS has now become a very important thing that many university, including my university, demands APS even for applying to the course. So APS is the most important document that one would require for the admission. So apply to APS at least 6 months before applying to the university. The next document is the VPD. So VPD is also very similar to APS, which checks your genuinity of your bachelor's course and give you a German CGPA. This VPD is a document which is provided by the Unisys. VPD is not required by many university. It's only required by some university like my university. And you need to apply to Unisys at least 1 month before applying to the university. The third document is the English language certificate, which my course IEE is an English taught course, and that's why you will require a good grip on your English language. That's why you will require a B2 level certification, which you will get from TOEFL 80 plus, IELTS 6 plus, or TOEIC 740 plus. Also, no other things other than these three things are allowed. For example, a certificate which states that your course is done, your bachelor's course is done, your mechanical engineering course is done in English language, that won't suffice for the B2 language certification. The fourth thing is the bachelor's certificate and the transcripts. So basically this is the basic document which you will get from your university. Bachelor's certificates you will get by default, but for your transcripts you may need to contact your university and get your transcripts of records. The fifth thing is the energy sector work. So basically my course IEE is a international energy engineering course. So basically this is an international course, and that's why people from different countries apply to the course, and that's why there's a huge competition, and that's why the places are less but the competition is more. So basically the energy sector work experience is a plus point. It's not mandatory that you provide energy sector work experience, but it will increase the chances of getting selected for the course. When to start applying? So for Indian students, you first need to apply for APS. As I've told, APS is one of the most important documents that you will need. So apply to APS by 1 January for Indian students, and for all other students, it depends upon different countries. Maybe they don't even have APS criteria, and some countries like China and Vietnam may have APS criteria. So first you need to apply to APS, then you need to apply to VPD. So a rough timeline is what I've given here: 1 April to 1 June you can apply to the VPD for my course IEE. For all other students, 1 April or 1 October, which is 1 April for if you want to come in the winter semester, or 15 October you need to apply to VPD by 15 October if you want to come in the university in the summer semester. Then you need to apply to the OTH Amberg-Weiden Primus portal. So basically these blue links in the PPT, you can download the PPT from the description, and within the PPT you will get all the links. Also I'll put my LinkedIn link in my description, and you can contact me and we can discuss about the further things and I can help you. So first APS, then you need the VPD, then you need to apply to the Primus portal, which is the application portal of the Amberg-Weiden. So for Indian students it's from 1 May to 15 June, and for international students it's for winter semester it's 1 May to 15, and for summer semester it's 15 November to 15 January. So after applying, you'll get your admit by 21 of July, and you will start your studies in October from 1st of October, and for the students they can start the study from 15th of March. So basically this table shows you a rough timeline of how you can apply to the course step by step. APS, VPD, Primus portal, and then you get your admit, and then you proceed with the visa and accommodation procedure. So basically I have divided the table in two parts, the Indian students and the international, all other international students except Indian students. So basically for Indian students, the only option to apply to this IEE course is in the winter semester, unless he has 210 credits by any other means, which is normally not possible. So for Indian students it's the different column, and the other international students, there are two options for the winter semester and for the summer semester. So we continue. The critical admit requirements. So for admit to this master's course, basic requirement you will require is having a bachelor's in mechanical, environmental, industrial engineering or energy engineering with a basic score of 2.5 German CGPA, and above that, or 2.5 or better. Above that you will also require energy projects, energy internship and energy work experiences, and along with this you will also require B2. These three are the basic requirements that you will require to apply to this course, to get an admit to this course. So if you don't have good CGPA because of some reason, because of maybe illness or something, then also there is a possibility of getting the admit. So basically there's a concept of deviating CGPA. So even with the lowest score, which is 2.5 to 2.8 is what I think may be possible. 2.5 to 2.8 admit may be possible. I cannot guarantee, but admit may be possible, but only with the help of energy work experiences. So basically if you have a very low score like 2.67 or 8, but you have very good energy engineering or renewable energy engineering experiences, then you can apply to this course, and your CGPA will tend to improve because of your energy engineering experiences. So basically there's a Bavarian formula, there's a Bavarian formula which is used to deviate your CGPA. If you're having good energy engineering experiences, then your CGPA will improve. So basically you need to upload your energy engineering energy work experiences reports and certificates while application in the Primus portal. So concept of deviating CGPA is one possibility for getting the admit in with low German score. So what to do? Check what are the main important things you should check. So check your eligibility. So basically all the links are there in the PPT. You can download this PPT from the link. Check your eligibility, whether you are properly eligible or not. The link will have all the information. Apply before time, submit everything before deadline. Application portal, this is the link for the application portal. Then you need to apply. You must apply with full potential, which is the APS, VPD, Europass CV, your bachelor's degree, transcripts, energy experience reports, project reports and project reports, and work experience reports and certificates. Apply with all these full potentiality. Be in contact with university if any problem arises. So basically, getting to a foreign university is not a cakewalk. Will not be a cakewalk, but there will always be some kind of help. And this is the email of the student's office. You can always contact them, and they'll surely help you in 2-3 days. They'll reply in 2-3 days. So what not to do? Don't take admission process lightly. IEE is a course with huge and increasing competition, and according to my knowledge, the things that I am studying and the news that I am reading and watching in Germany, renewable energy is a field which is discussed on the highest priority. Like automobile, it is coming in the level of automobile. Germans have manufactured excellent cars, excellent autos, and they are aiming to have the country's energy requirements produced fully by the renewable energy. So IEE is a course with huge competition. That's why you should not take it lightly. Your energy projects reports must be properly notarized by your Indian university or company for your genuinity. For example, I did biogas project and I notarized it by my university professor and also got a stamp of the university, so that it becomes the genuine report. Otherwise, anyone can take someone's report and apply to the university. That's not gonna happen. You must notarize your reports properly. And also, do not waste your time and money for applying in the master's course if your bachelor's course is more than 2.8 German CGPA. It is highly impossible that you will get an admit if you have 2.8 CGPA. It's just took me a light. I am so sorry, but this is the truth. Other English taught courses in OTH Amberg-Weiden. So basically, for bachelor's we have international business, digital technology management, and artificial intelligence. And for masters we have international management, sustainability, and my course IEE, and the global research in engineering sciences. So we have this English taught courses in Amberg-Weiden. So now we'll very quickly discuss my subjects during IEE, my IEE masters. So last semester, which was my very semester in the winter semester, October 2022, I had these subjects: thermal energy, process engineering, etc. And currently I'm in my first semester, which is the summer semester, starting from March, 15th of March. And I have this subject: hydrogen, solar, bioenergy, energy storage, and innovation management, and international energy law, and simulation. And in the next semester we have elected our subjects as wind and hydropower, and the further subjects that you can see. And the third semester, which will be in the next summer, will be my master's thesis. It's a full-time master's thesis. So yeah, that's all for today. This was the video in which I tried to give some critical information about my university's IEE course and its admit. If you found this video useful, helpful, and informative, please do like, share, and subscribe. It's actually a big motivation for me to make useful and informative videos. And yeah, vielen Dank für Ihre wertvolle Zeit. Means thank you so much for your precious time. We'll meet in the next video, and until then, all the very best. Dhanyawad and Jai Hind.